YouTube? Connor here. Yeah, today you joined me in the E46. Today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be modernising the E46 a little bit. We're going to be getting rid of the cigarette lighter, and we're going to be replacing it with a USB, but the difference is between this is it's also a voltage reader for your battery. So if you just so happen to come to your car one day, look down, see that it's reading less than the voltage required for your battery to start the car, you know you've got a dead battery. It's just one of them things that's useful, so you can always monitor what's going on with your battery. And it just, like I say, it just modernises the interior a little bit, because I don't know about you guys, but whenever I use one of them cigarette lighter chargers, you put it in, think your phone's charging, and then after about an hour's worth of driving it says that it's got 20% battery left, and it's just the right pain. So yeah, all this does is this replaces your cigarette lighter down there. All you do is take that out. It might need a little bit of modification to fit this in, but yeah, you take the screw off the back, slot it in, do it up, wire it in, then you've got yourself two USB ports with a voltage reader in the middle. And not only that, when you got a car charger in here, you can't shut this, and it tends to look a bit ugly. So yeah, this will just not make it a bit neater, and it'll make it so that you're able to shut this, look that a little bit better. So yeah, like I said, it won't fit in there as of yet, but I'm going to get rid of that inner ring just in there, and that should hopefully allow that to slot in there nicely. So yeah, now I've got the hole roughly cut out. I'm not too bothered on how it looks, because as you can see, covers it. So yeah, now all you're going to want to do is put the screw on the back. What I'd do if I was you is I would put the screw there first, wherever that is. Yeah, put the screw there first, and then thread it through and wind this up, as opposed to the screw, because you've got no room for it otherwise. So yeah, now that I've got that all in place, it's all fastened in, what I'm going to do is at a later date I'm going to put a bit of glue just on the back of the nut, because the nut's only plastic and it's not the greatest. So yeah, once you've done that and you've got that all in, you're all happy with that, what you got to do, it's quite simple on these, but on your car you just got to determine which is positive and negative. I'm pretty certain you could probably distinguish which is which. This is for there's a little light for this compartment that just goes in here. I don't need that anymore, so I've just taken that out, so that wire is redundant. And then you got positive, red, negative, the brown. But this isn't always the case. Sometimes brown can be positive. So like I say, you just got to either check with the multimeter. All I did was I put both the wires up to it and it lit up. So yeah, just gonna wire it in. So yeah guys, as you can see, it's in. It's currently reading the voltage that's on the battery. Then if I do, say, turn the ignition on, you can see it drops. And then if I turn the ignition off, it goes back up. There you go, back up to 12. But you've got to bear in mind this hasn't been started in 2 weeks, 3 weeks maybe. So I'm going to start it in a minute, because that'll be plenty of juice to start it. nice little cold start for you as well, as it has been like 3 weeks. But yeah, as you can see, fits a lot nicer and it just makes everything a bit tidier. I am going to put this tray back. Hold on. It's currently full of nuts and bolts and various other bits. Yeah, you get the idea. Yeah, that's always good. Yeah, that looks nice. So yeah, this is just a simple modification you can do. This took me probably about 20 minutes to do. So something quite simple, and it brings, like I say, it brings the car up, makes it a bit more modern. Like, I work on a lot of Range Rovers and stuff like that, and they've all got USB ports in. The only thing I need in here now is like a fridge armrest. That'd be nice, but no, it's all unnecessary weight, isn't it? But yeah, this is just something that's always good, because you see people that have got the volt gauges, and this is just a little bit sleeker. It's sort of, it replaces the factory stuff, which is just always in the way, like especially when you're trying to charge your phone. And yeah, now I've got 2 USB ports as well, because I do have a USB port in my stereo, because it's an aftermarket stereo. I mean, I don't even have the surround for it, but yeah, the stereo is just so I can listen to my own music. And then I bought a Bluetooth cable for the standard stereo, but I sort of ruined the face of the standard stereo when it was in the boot, because it rolled around and smashed into a lot of stuff, so I just kept this one in. It's been in for like 2 years, so it is what it is. But I'm hoping to upgrade the whole head unit at some point. But yeah, now that I've got 2 charging points down here, especially for when the wife's in the car, she can charge her phone as well, rather than stealing the USB from the stereo and then having to listen to her music. But yeah guys, this is just a short video for you. It's just a quick little DIY. It's a little upgrade you can do on your own. It can go in any car. I mean, it's a universal thing, so if you feel like your car needs a little bit of modernising, then why not spend the, I think it was £7, a little bit of modernisation. Yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Adios.